In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WooCommerce in WordPress. By the end, you'll have the core plugin added to your site so you can start turning your WordPress website into a fully functional store. I'll keep things simple, clear, and to the point. First, make sure you're signed in to your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar. This vertical menu is where you manage everything on your site. Find Plugins, then click Add New. The Plugins area is where you can extend your site's features, and Add New is the place to find and install tools like WooCommerce. At the top right of the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar. Click into it and type WooCommerce. In a moment, you'll see search results appear below. You're looking for the official WooCommerce plugin created by Automatic. It's typically the first result, with a very high number of active installations and reviews. Checking the author name is a good habit to make sure you're installing the trusted, official version, and not a lookalike. When you've found WooCommerce by Automatic, click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you automatically. You'll see the button change its label and a brief progress indicator while it works. Give it a moment. Larger plugins can take a few seconds depending on your hosting and connection speed. Once the installation completes, that same button will change to Activate. Click Activate to turn the plugin on. Installation adds the files to your site, but activation is what enables the functionality. After activation, you'll usually be taken to a welcome screen. That's completely normal. You may also notice new items in your left-hand sidebar, such as WooCommerce and products. That's the plugin letting you manage your store from within your dashboard. If a setup prompt appears, that's just WooCommerce offering to guide you through configuration. For now, the important part is that the plugin is successfully installed and active. You can return to your dashboard at any time and see that WooCommerce is listed under your installed plugins. To recap, you went to Plugins, chose Add New, searched for WooCommerce, installed the official plugin by Automatic, and activated it. That's all it takes to add WooCommerce to your WordPress site. If you found this helpful, you're ready for the next steps of customizing your store and exploring settings when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.